What's up guys, Event Array. Today we're going to be doing a quick sound test on the Creative Pebble V3. So those are going to be the third generation of the Pebble speakers made by Creative. They're amazing. So this is going to just be a quick review and sound test on those speakers. I will also link them down and below in the description if you were interested in the product. If you're looking for any type of desk speakers, these ones are amazing for the price. They are not wireless, but they are Bluetooth compatible. They do have Type-C and USB-A. As far as whatever product you wanted to use them with, they come with an adapter in the box. So the cord by default is USB Type-C, but it comes with a USB Type-A adapter that you can plug into the C outlet, and you can plug it into your computer or whatever device you're wanting to use them with. Switching between Bluetooth and the wired connection is seamless, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you guys right now. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so this is how I have my desk set up right now. It's a bit of a mess, but I'm really just here to show off my speakers. This is going to be the main one that I use to control the volume, and then I also have one over there to kind of just spread the sound. I have a triple monitor setup, but these two are usually used for work and stuff like that. And this Spectre curved screen right here is the one I use really just for recreational use and stuff like that. I also have a 43-inch, I believe, Hisense TV right here. So whenever I want to watch TV and stuff like that, I have a cable box, Xbox Elite controller, Switch controller, PS4 controller, an Alexa Show 5. I also have a Amazon dock right here. I have this cool little touch lamp that I really like with 3 brightness settings. But yeah, back to the speakers. Let me see if I can find some non-copyrighted music and see if I can play it for you guys. Okay, so just a sound warning, this is going to be very loud. So if you're wearing like earphones or anything like that, this is when it's just, I'm turning it up slowly. And you really just won't be able to tell just how crisp this is over the video, but I just wanted to give it a try anyways for you guys, so you know. Yeah, at full volume, these things are a powerhouse. I can hear them throughout my whole house, although my house is a bit thin-walled, but that's not the point. So these speakers are amazing. If you guys are ever looking for, say, new speakers for your desk setup, I've seen a lot of YouTubers with these speakers, and that's what really made them caught my eye. I also really like the look of them. They're really simplistic in their circular design. I really just like it. I wish this bronze was a little bit of a different color, maybe like all black or maybe like a silver. But this rose goldish type looking color, I don't really like that. But besides these speakers, they are top of the line. As far as if you wanted to switch them to Bluetooth, if you have the version 3 version, you just press this button and it'll switch it to Bluetooth. And it's seamless, it'll automatically connect to my phone. Since today I'm recording with my phone, I am not able to demonstrate that for you guys. But I just wanted to do a quick sound test and review for these speakers. I would give them a 10 out of 10 because I don't have anything that I don't like about them. I do wish that they were wireless. Maybe with the version 4, they'll be wireless. But you know, I can't really hold that against the speakers when I bought them knowing that they weren't wireless. So I mean, I can't take that away from the score. I was really looking at the Kanto Y2s or Y5s or U2s or U5s, but those were a little more expensive, and I decided to just get these to start off with. My computer has built-in speakers, but they are horrible. I mean, they work in a pinch, but they are just not loud enough to survive off of. So I decided to get these speakers for my desk setup, and I hope you guys will check them out if you're needing speakers for your desk setup. In the meantime, this is Event Array. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
you